Would you like to come out today? Oh, yes, please, said Edward. So they lit his fire, made lots of steam, and Edward puffed away.
Right, so I've been working on my Halloween video, and I don't really have time to make anything pretty big, well, medium size, I guess, so, this week, my video is going to be me ranking signals. This tier list was created by Bunny Benny on both Twitter and YouTube. Why are there so many ads? Jesus. Yeah, they are very cool. So anyway, signal from in front of the bus shed. Pretty good signal. A tier. Signal gantry outside Nafri. Iconic. S tier. I do not like this signal. Why is this bit just like completely see-through in red? Why is it bad signal? Getting bad signals from this. Yeah. Very spooky. Part of the whole mystique of Haunted Henry. Going there. This looks a lot like that, like the one that was shown a lot in the CGI series. B tier. Ah, yes, this one. They made a lot of merch of this one. It's pretty iconic and good. Yeah, that's good. Don't remember this one from anything. Kind of getting the same vibes from it as this one. B tier. Ah, yes, this one. This is the one that the signalman. This is the one in Old Iron. Yeah, this is pretty iconic. This is just a side view of that one. Of this one, pretty sure. Oh wait, no, it's different. It's the other way around. Basically the same. This looks like just a taller version of this one, to be honest. Doesn't really have much to add to the plate, does it? There we go. This one's very tall. It's got like, this is very tall. I don't like that. Yeah. Alright, this one I'm liking. Something about like the whole like yellow of like the yellow and black stripe. It's good. There we go. Ah, yes, this one. Look, this looks like some Gordon's Hill. Better than these, to be honest. Gonna go there. Ah, this one's interesting. It's got like that, it's got like a ladder with like a box thing on it. I like it. I like that. Oh, it's another one of these tall ones. Yeah. Ah, yes, I like this one a lot. This is the one from, that one episode. Yeah, there we go. This one looks really, like, bare. There's, like, no ladders on it. I don't like that. I don't like that at all. This one... I don't know, I'm getting mixed vibes from this one. Like, This doesn't help it's from the hit era. Honestly, I think I'm gonna have to put it there. This is just the same one of like, this is like another one of these. Although, the gantry looks a lot more bare, so I'm gonna put it there. Hey, that rhymed. Is this the backing signal? I feel like it is. I feel like that is. Yeah, iconic. Actually, probably more iconic than that one. Ooh, this one's got like the actual working lamp. Well, so does that one, but I think I'll put it there. Finally, it's just a ruler pick of that one, but it is still pretty cool. So, this has been Ed's ranking of signals. Goodbye.